In part 1, we are going to draw the Lewis structures. So, Lewis structure of first the molecule is carbon dioxide. So, how to draw the Lewis structure? First, we have to arrive the number of valence electron. For example, carbon 4 and each oxygen 6. So, 6 into 2. So, now you have 4 plus 12, 16 electrons. And the 16 electrons are allotted in such a way that each atom or element has an octet. Then the Lewis structure will be confirmed. Sometimes what happens, there will be a super octet, that is more than 8 electrons of the central atom. In this case, carbon is here, that is the central atom. On either side, we have to put the oxygen. So now 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons are already covered, and the remaining 8 electrons we have to allot in such a way that all the atoms get octet. For example, this oxygen has now 4 and here also 4. So now if you count, total 16 electrons and all the atoms get octet, and this is the Lewis structure of carbon dioxide. Next molecule is, or ion is, carbonate ion, CO3 2 minus. Here also we have to calculate the valence electron, 4 from carbon and each oxygen 6, that is 4 plus, so 3 into 6 18, and plus these two negative charges, that also we have to take into account. So in total 24 electrons we have. These 24 electrons to be distributed so that each and every atom get an octet, and the Lewis structure will be C double bond O, and here single bond O minus, and here also O minus. And when we count the electrons, total 24 electrons will be there. So this is the Lewis structure of carbonate ion, and here these two negative charges are due to the two extra electrons. All the atoms get octet, therefore it's a perfect example of octet. Next one is NO3 minus, that is nitrate ion, NO3 minus. Here the number of valence electron 5 from nitrogen and each oxygen 6, that is 18 plus 1 negative charge. So in total 24. This is just like carbonate ion. Put the nitrogen here, double bond O, and here also 1 oxygen minus, that is negative charge, here also oxygen. And this is also an example of what is called that isoelectronic and isostructural species, because carbonate ion and nitrate ion both are having 24 valence electrons, and both are examples of isoelectronic and isostructural species, and in this structure also each and every atom gets an octet.